amazing.
Count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. I can't sing and play. It just doesn't.
All right, I'm about to stop it.
At least try.
Do I keep going?
Try more. Start from the top. Start from the top. Sorry,
Count on me. Oh. I'll be there.
You got that part.
Well, how about this? You guys play the beat. I'll sing it. And then when it comes to the hook, you guys come in.
1, 2, 3. I'll be there.
On you.
We can do that part. We got that.
I'll sing, and then when we do the hook, everyone sings.
Okay.
That means you
We
too,
can do
Layla.
Yeah. That means you
Okay.
too, Layla.
Wasn't I just singing 2 seconds ago?
Yeah, but that means you have to sing the part you need
All right.
Mom sing.
All right, ready?
Wait, let me turn that off.
You're tossing and you're turning, you can't fall asleep. I'll sing a song beside you. If you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. Count on you like 4, 3, 2. With our friends and me.
Hi guys. So it's time to go to the post office. I'm hot. I'm so hot. It is like 80 degrees of yickadookie. I gotta put my hair up even though I just did it. I don't even care. It's time to go to the post office so I can drop off the giveaway, the juicer. Yes, Farrah. You're getting your juicer pretty soon. I don't know how long it's going to take to get to you, but and as you guys know, I have not been feeling well, but I have things to do today, and I figured I have to do them. I just have to step up and just do them. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take you guys with me because obviously I don't freaking like driving in this car and it's a vehicle. So I don't want to go by myself. Don't you go, buddy. I don't like driving regardless, so we're doing this together because that's how we roll. I have not driven in a minute since the last time that you guys saw me in the car. Yeah, because I have not been feeling good and there is really nowhere for me to have to go. And I really apologize, guys, for those of you that didn't have Instagram. Don't worry, when we hit 8K or 10K, I don't know. I mean, it all depends on what I have to give, you know, what I find or whatever. But I will be doing that strictly YouTube, so don't worry.
Oh, don't tell me I can't take a left. Yes, I can. Some people started singing it, not knowing just because. And if you can be singing it forever, just because this is a song that doesn't end. You remember singing it? Yes, it goes on, my friend. Some people started singing it, not knowing what it was. Well, my turn, buddy. And we continue singing it forever, just because this is a song that never ends. Alright, I must be there.
Yes, it goes on and on, my friend. What the hell? has bushes in the back of his mail truck. Is that even a mail truck? Why would the mailman have bushes in the back of his mail truck? I don't know. Anyway, okay, we're going in. I made it. Alright guys, so I'm back in the car and I I mailed out the package. I never mailed out a big package like that before, so I never really know what to do. But it came out to like, I think it was Illinois. I don't know, it came out to like 16 bucks. So it was almost the same price as the actual, well, the other thing was like 25 bucks. So it wasn't as much, but it's still worth it to me. I probably would have been better off just ordering it from Amazon and sending it to your address. I think next time I'll do that instead of buying two and getting it shipped to me. That's like a better idea. But anyway, it's done. I made it. Poor Angela. She's like, I didn't think I needed to put my address on it because it was being sent from my post office, but I didn't do that. She's like, So anyway, but it's done. It's done. And I'm sweating like a freaking, I don't even know what right now. You know, anxiety does that. But so I'm in there and I'm getting like a sweat mustache and everything because I want to just get in and get out. You know how that is, guys. But anyway, I did it. So now I'm going back home again. I gotta pick up Angie. She has this thing called Sprout Scouts. What the heck are you doing, bro? Is anybody coming? My freaking mirror. No wonder. And she plants stuff and things like that. I don't know what she's gonna be planting. She'll probably be learning about stuff inside. But she loves it. And she also joined a running program. So she goes running, and then there's like this big event that all the kids run on the big track. All right, so I'm back home. Look at my nice, clean living room. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna rest my weary head because I have to go get Angie soon in a little while from her Sprout Scout, and I need to relax for a minute. Hopefully I could take a nap. Hopefully. I had a long couple days. I finally feel good. I should probably eat something. I finally feel a lot better, guys. And thank you all for... I was a little nervous about driving. I was a lot nervous because I have not been feeling good. And if you're not feeling good and your brain is not working right, like your senses, like you feel just off, that's when I get nervous to drive. So I did it though. I feel accomplished. I did it. And so yes, so Farrah, be on the lookout for your package, girl. Your package. And Instagram me recipes that you're doing if you find a good one. FYI, you know I'm allergic to everything, but Angie loves the damn thing. She makes apple juice. I gotta go buy some kale today and try to make a smoothie-ish thing. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Until the next video, I'll catch you on the flip side.
Whoa.
Can you do this, Layla? Yeah, wait.